Hi, I'm Darlene Panzera from Aspiring Writer Academy, and today we're going to talk about scene-ending disasters. This is the hook that captivates your reader and keeps them turning the page. First, your character enters with a scene goal, and then they meet three sources of opposition, conflict, units of conflict that oppose that scene goal, cause trouble for them. Then the scene ends with scene-ending disasters. Yes, the character gets their goal, they achieve their goal, they get what they want, but there's complications, consequences attached. This is going to make their life harder going forward. Or no, they did not get their scene goal, they did not achieve the mission, they failed, they have to find a different way. Or no, and furthermore, okay, the character did not achieve their scene goal, and furthermore, now they're in far worse trouble than ever before because they even tried. Thank you for watching, and if you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss future videos. And if you need help plotting your story, go to aspiringwriteracademy.com and download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea Worksheet. It's 7 full pages with fill-in-the-blank templates to help you get started.